We all have memories we treasure, family vacations, birthday parties, weddings, and even those quiet moments that make us smile. But what happens when those memories are stored in outdated formats like VHS tapes, 8mm film, or old photo albums gathering dust in your attic? Over time, these memories start to fade and the technology to view them becomes obsolete. But what if you could bring those moments back to life, digitally, and share them with loved ones across all your devices? That's exactly what iMemories offers, a chance to relive your most cherished moments with just a few simple steps. In this review, we'll explore iMemories' revolutionary service that converts your old home movies and photos into digital files so you can view, share, and enjoy them anytime, anywhere. From fast and secure shipping to advanced digital enhancement, iMemories gives your memories a new lease on life. What is iMemories? iMemories is a professional service designed to convert your physical home videos, film reels, and photos into digital formats. Whether it's VHS tapes, Super 8mm films, or dusty old photo albums, iMemories can turn your priceless memories into easily accessible digital files, which you can stream, share, or store on your preferred devices. Founded with the goal of preserving family memories, iMemories offers a simple process that saves you time and ensures your memories last forever. With over 100 million memories digitized and over 1 million happy customers, the service has become a trusted name in memory preservation. Whether you want to preserve old family movies or make sure your photos are passed down through generations, iMemories makes it easy and affordable. How does iMemories work? The process is as simple as it gets, and the convenience is second to none. iMemories takes care of everything from collecting your old tapes and photos to sending them back as high-quality digital files. Here's how it works. Gather your memories. You start by collecting your VHS tapes, 8mm films, or photo albums. No need for sorting or labeling. iMemories takes care of the organization once they arrive. Ship your memories with a SafeShip Kit. iMemories provides a specially designed SafeShip Kit to protect your precious items during shipping. It includes a crush-proof box, waterproof bags, and shock-resistant cushions. Best of all, shipping is free. Digitization and enhancement. Once iMemories receives your materials, they'll convert them into digital formats using state-of-the-art technology. You can even enhance the quality of your old videos and photos using Mackenzie AI, which restores clarity and sharpness to your files. Enjoy your memories. After the digitization process, you can instantly stream your memories through the iMemories app on your TV, tablet, phone, or laptop. You can also download them for safekeeping or share them with friends and family via email or social media. It's fast, easy, and efficient. You'll be able to enjoy your digitalized memories in just a few weeks without any complicated setups. Features and benefits of iMemories. What makes iMemories stand out? It's not just the convenience, it's the entire experience, from start to finish. Here are some key features that make iMemories the go-to choice for digitizing your memories. Multiple formats supported, iMemories can digitize a variety of formats, including VHS tapes, 8mm, Super 8mm, and 16mm film, as well as photographs, slides, and negatives. Whatever you have, they can handle it. Mackenzie AI Enhancement. iMemories doesn't just convert your old media into digital files. They also offer Mackenzie AI Enhancement, which increases the visual clarity of your videos and photos by up to 3 times. You'll see your old memories in a new light, with better resolution and sharper details. Secure free shipping. iMemories offers free shipping with a SafeShip Kit, ensuring that your memories are protected every step of the way. The kit is specially designed to keep your items safe, no matter how long the journey takes. App integration. Once your memories are digitized, iMemories makes it easy to view them. With the iMemories app, you can instantly stream your videos or photos on any device, just like you would with Netflix or Hulu. You can even share them directly with loved ones through email or social media. Affordable pricing. iMemories offers competitive pricing for their digitization services, with the option to purchase digital copies on USB drives or DVD Blu-ray discs. There are no hidden fees, and they offer a money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied with the results. How to use iMemories? Using iMemories is incredibly easy. Here's how you can get started. Order your SafeShip Kit. The first step is to order the SafeShip Kit from the iMemories website. The kit arrives with everything you need to safely package and ship your memories. There's no need to worry about finding boxes or packing materials. Pack your memories. Once your kit arrives, simply pack your VHS tapes, film reels, or photo albums into the kit. There's no need to label or sort. iMemories handles the organization once they receive your item. Ship it back. Use the prepaid shipping label included in the kit to send everything to iMemories. The kit is designed to ensure that your items are protected during transit. Enjoy your digital memories. After iMemories processes your memories, they will send you a digital copy that you can stream, download, or share. You can view everything through their app or store the files on a USB drive or DVD. It's that simple. No hassle, no complicated setups, just easy access to your most treasured memories. iMemories pros and cons. Pros. Wide format support. iMemories can handle a variety of old formats, including VHS tapes, 8mm film, photos, slides, and negatives. Enhanced visual quality. With Mackenzie AI, your videos and photos are enhanced to look sharper and clearer. Easy to use app. Stream and share your digitized memories on any device through the iMemories app. Free shipping and secure packaging. iMemories provides free shipping and a specially designed SafeShip Kit to ensure your items are safe during transit. Affordable pricing. iMemories offers reasonable prices with no hidden fees, plus a money-back guarantee. Cons. Shipping time. While iMemories is generally fast, the process can take a few weeks, so you'll need to be patient. Limited digital options. If you prefer to receive your digitized memories in formats other than USB or DVD, your options are limited. Price and where to buy. Digitizing your memories has never been more affordable. Here's a look at the pricing options for iMemories. VHS tapes, movie films 14, photos 0. You can also choose to receive your digitized memories on a USB drive or DVD Blu-ray disc. The price for these options starts at $19.99 per USB drive and $9.99 per DVD. And right now, iMemories is offering a 50% discount on their SafeShip Kit, which includes everything you need to get started. The kit normally costs $29.99, but you can get it for just $14.99 with free shipping. To buy, head over to the official iMemories website. They offer fast shipping and a money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied with the results. The best part, you can store and share your memories digitally forever. And memories conclude. In a world where memories fade and technology changes, iMemories is a simple, affordable solution to preserving your family's most treasured moments. With easy-to-use services, enhanced visual quality, and the ability to stream and share your memories on any device, it's never been easier to keep your past alive. Whether you're looking to preserve old VHS tapes, Super 8mm films, or cherished family photos, iMemories makes it easy, safe, and convenient. With millions of happy customers and a history of quality, iMemories is the trusted name in digitizing memories. Don't let your past gather dust in the attic. Turn your memories into digital treasures and start sharing them with the people who matter most today.